Have you ever found yourself getting angry or upset over something that ultimately wasn't worth the emotional energy? It's a common experience, and it's easy to get caught up in our emotions and react without thinking. But what if I told you that there's power in not reacting, and that you can learn to control your emotions? In this video, we'll explore the benefits of not reacting and provide some practical tips for managing your emotions. First, let's talk about why it's important to not react to things. When we react to something, we're essentially giving it power over us. We're allowing it to control how we feel and how we act. This can lead to all sorts of negative consequences, like saying or doing something we later regret, or allowing our emotions to negatively impact our relationships with others. On the other hand, when we don't react, we're taking back control of our emotions and our actions. We're able to think more clearly and make more rational decisions. We're also able to maintain our composure and communicate more effectively with others. So, how can we learn to control our emotions and not react? Here are a few tips. Take a deep breath. When we're feeling overwhelmed or upset, it's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment. One simple yet effective way to calm down is to take a deep breath. This helps to oxygenate our brain and can help to clear our thoughts. Count to 10. Another technique is to count to 10, or 20, or 30, etc., before reacting. This gives us a moment to pause and consider our options before reacting. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware in the moment. By focusing on our breath and our surroundings, we can train our minds to be more present and less reactive. Use positive self-talk. Our internal dialogue can have a big impact on how we feel and behave. Instead of telling ourselves negative things, try using positive self-talk to remind yourself that you have the power to control your emotions and reactions. Seek support. If you're struggling to manage your emotions, it can be helpful to seek support from a trusted friend, family member, or professional. By practicing these techniques, you can learn to control your emotions and not react to things that might otherwise trigger a negative response. Remember, there's power in not reacting and taking back control of your emotions. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed or upset, try one of these techniques and see how it helps you to manage your emotions and react in a more positive way.